A Missouri twin dome house inspired by science fiction is on the market for $350,000. Let's take a look inside. Now, first of all, let's get some curb appeal reaction here. Will, what do you say?
There's a lot of curves here.
Yeah. Could you live in a place like this, or would it just totally throw you off right? Really?
Yeah.
I'm surprised
This looks way too weird.
I'm surprised you had such a strong reaction to it.
It looks very liminal.
So it's creepy, actually.
Well, where's the walkway?
And
where's the trees and...
You're in Missouri. You don't need a walkway.
Seems like this thing has been just like airdropped down onto like the field.
Notice how it has 2 air conditioners
Oh, yeah.
in different spots. I wonder what that's about. It also kind of looks inflatable. I know it's not.
It does, yeah.
It kind of looks temporary. And Will, you want something that looks grounded.
Yeah. Give me a basement.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, it does have some attributes that I think you're going to like.
Okay.
It has 5 bedrooms for $348,000.
Okay.
The walls of the house are nearly 10 inches thick. Concrete, foam, and rubber, so it's extremely energy efficient.
Okay.
You barely need to pump heating or cooling in there because it's all kept in. The creator, Michael Van Devender, the owner, he says that he was inspired by science fiction. It does sort of look like outer space, or maybe Star Wars or something, other than the windows.
Yeah. It has like a Tatooine vibe from Star Wars.
Yeah, so what's wrong with Tatooine? The people are nice over there in Tatooine.
Yeah. Okay, here's the driveway.
All right, Will, do we have you yet? Are you turning around?
What does it look inside?
When it came to building their family home, Van Devender, a software engineer, and his wife, a systems analyst, collaborated on its design. My wife and I spent several years tossing ideas back and forth, researching, sketching plans, soliciting help from family, friends, and experts, all of which gradually coalesced into the design to the house you see now. Here's what it looks like inside. Will, go, that was a deep inhale.
Okay,
there.
I mean, you know.
It's cool.
It has like a stone texture, like a cave or something.
What do you say, Will? Do I have you yet?
Yeah, I like it.
You're in.
Nice.
It does. It kind of feels, dare I say, cozy, maybe? If you had it furnished and you got a rug there, like maybe it's a little cozy?
Yeah, it's not, there's no right angles, really.
Soft. It's a little soft in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
The composition of the dome was designed by Monolithic, a Texas-based company that specializes in constructing domes. The layered walls of the twin dome home are almost 10 inches thick. The house is energy efficient. It uses 50% less energy for heating and cooling than the same size conventionally constructed building. 50% less, Will, on your bills. Keeps the temperature very well no matter what the weather. Translates into tiny utility bills. And it makes it quiet inside as well. And very little maintenance. Well, I'm glad that we have you at least thinking about it. Well,
yeah.
You don't have to convert immediately, but, 5 bedrooms, $348,000. You're thinking about it.
What do you think?
No, it's hideous. I'm kidding. No, I like new ideas. You know that.
Okay.
And new designs. And a lot of houses, it's very cookie cutter over there. And this, you can't say that about this.
Well, why didn't they update the like furniture and like cabinets and stuff? It looks like a 90s style
Hey, man, they just built it. That's their taste.
Make it look futuristic.
Jeez.
The stuff inside.
Jeez. I'm sorry, Michael Van Devender. That's what Will thinks.
The space is cool.
No, you're right. If you have a science fiction exterior, you got to have a science fiction interior.
Yeah.
The floors, you like the floors or no?
No.
Okay.
No. Go with something different.
Okay, so floors, windows, cabinets, and appliances. You want the future.
Yeah.
I guess the lighting and the ceiling fans too. But anyway, listen,